Hello everyone, wherever you are. Welcome to my channel and thank you for your interest to watch this video. This is Contractual Capsules videos series, where I am providing topics about construction contracts to stakeholders in the construction domain worldwide, and to support the profession by elaborating on some definitions for reducing the numbers of doubts, conflicts, and disputes among the involved parties. It is important to highlight that any content in this channel and this video represents the narrator's opinions and experiences, with no liability or obligation regarding how, when, or where you use this content and for what purpose. Today's topic is procurement approaches. Sometimes it is called procurement routes. Both terms refer to the same concept. It is a quite rich topic because there are numerous routes for a buyer to approach domestic or international markets to obtain an offer or proposal from a seller to build a project or deliver a service. Several factors in the market influence the owner's decision about the right approach to adopt, including the project constraints such as costs, time to complete, targeted versus available quality standards, location of the project, environment, political situation, and also some points to consider, such as demographics, labor availability, economic stability, inflation, obtainable financial tools, materials and equipment availability, and other market risks. You may ask, is there a difference between an offer and a proposal? Yes, indeed there is. Both start when a party sends an RFP or request for proposal to another party to submit an offer or a proposal. An offer is often when a seller submits a commercial price only for supplying a product or providing a service, while a proposal includes a combined technical and commercial submission for the same desired outcome. In the construction domain, the proposal is the most applied practice. However, the buyer must plan and decide the appropriate way to flow the tender based on the project's needs, size, time frame, budget, and other factors. Today, I will share the key and most popular procurement routes in the industry. 1. Traditional route. It follows a simple process of 3 steps. Starts with designing the project, then to float the bid or tender for obtaining a satisfactory proposal, then to build the project. The owner and their consultants lead the design and tender phases, while the contractor handles the construction. This approach can be cost-efficient for some owners, but it is lengthy because you must first hire a designer, complete the concept, then the detailed designs, followed by the tender phase, all before hiring a contractor to do the main work. The project's operability of this route is not guaranteed, since the contractor is not liable for design efficiency. 2. Design and build route combines design and construction in one package, avoiding the drawbacks of the traditional route. The contractor can develop the design in-house if capable enough, or hire sub-consultants for design and supervision, while the owner hires a management consultant only. This route can be implemented by one of 2 methods. Method 1. One-step or one-stage tender, such as lump sum contracts and turnkey projects. Method 2. Two-step or two-stage tender, which entails the following 2 actions by the owner. A. To enter into a pre-construction services agreement with an experienced and capable contractor to develop the design. B. Then to negotiate a fixed price with the same contractor to build the project. 3. Management route. It is ideal for large-scale projects with multiple packages and phases. A qualified contractor or management firm is appointed at a fixed fee, which can be in form of a percentage of project value, to hire and manage the hired consultants and other contractors to deliver the project. 4. Private finance initiative route. Investors use this route when they want to initiate a business involving a project to be developed and intend to own and operate the development for a certain period or indefinitely. Examples include BOO, which stands for Build, Own and Operate, and BOOT, which stands for Build, Own, Operate and Transfer. 5. Consortia or joint venture contracting route typically starts with a preliminary MOU, which stands for Memorandum of Understanding, to define each party's scope before final agreements. Whether the 2 members, as in the joint venture or JV, or the multiple members in the consortium, those members meet to agree on terms of certain purposes and common objective, such as joint tender submission, project execution, or business finance and operation. Relationships here can be categorized technically, either as integrated JV when members share liabilities, or independent JV where each party carries its own part of obligations. The relationship also can be structured financially as either unincorporated JV when each party's bank account is separate, or as incorporated JV when a joint account is opened and the JV is hence called a joint stock company. So, as you can see, this topic is vast, and I am happy to answer your queries if you write to me to expand my explanations further. We reached to the end of today's video. If you liked our content, kindly support us by like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and colleagues to spread the benefit. Also, write a comment to us or send your query and I will respond to you. You may also visit our website concmaze.com and search for and download our world's first mobile app, ConCmaze, to access our construction contracts consultancies for free if you have a specific query. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.